body turns really, really bright red. All the blood flow is coming up towards the body. Dang, you get that workout.
Am I red?
Hmm?
Am I red?
Is that what?
Am I red?
Yeah. In a good way, though. It shows your blood flow. So it's good. All right, so now you guys have seen what the Rofi massage gun can do. We worked on our wonderful client, and you can even work it through having somebody on the table naked and having lotion on the body. You can still use the gun without the lotion, or you can put oil, lotion, cream, whatever you want to do to glide on the client's skin. And as far as cleaning, these are rubber. So the rubber, this is rubber, everything can be disinfected. You can take your Clorox wipes or Lysol spray, spray it down, wipe it down. You can take the balls off, wash them in hot water, cold water. I would say hot water because you need to disinfect and to kill bacteria and viruses. So only reason why I would say cold water, if you're gonna mix it with barbicide, stuff like that, yes, that'll kill everything. But you don't wanna turn this black head into white or whatever, that bleach or whatever can eat at this, okay? Because remember, it's a color. So make sure you're cleaning your machine, easy to do, and you can use this all on anybody's body, feet, hands, legs, arms, head, fingers, all that good stuff. So just make sure you don't lose your charging port, because you actually need the same charging port as that came with your machine. You can't use another charging port, it doesn't work that way. Other than that, we are good to go. And I will show you in the link or description below. Just scroll down, it'll say show me more, click on it, and it'll show you on Amazon their affiliate link to where you can purchase this. Right now it's at a discounted price of $89.99. $90, you cannot beat that. There's massage guns on the market right now. Don't get me wrong, they're really, really great massage guns. I'm not competing against anybody, but they're very expensive. $150, $200, $300. Some of them are like the Hyper Ice and all that good stuff. $400, $380 to $400 for that. This is actually same gun, compact, lightweight for $89. So you can't beat that. And right now, if you use the link that they're gonna give you, it's not from me. I'm not affiliated with the links or anything like that. It comes from this company, Rofi. And you'll click on it, and they actually give you another discount actually for signing up, I think after the Christmas sales and everything. So I think it might go down to like $70. Come on, I'm sorry, 80. You can't beat that. So make sure you get it while you can, because this will go back up, or any massage gun or anything, right after the new year. Seriously. So thank you guys for watching. Have any questions or concerns, please feel free to give me a call, DM me, message me, carrier pigeon, all that good stuff. I'll be there. Email you. All my contact information is in the show me box. That's it.